This new TikTok algorithm update is huge. In this video, I really want to share with you how the new TikTok algorithm works and also 3 TikTok algorithm hacks to help you grow on TikTok. Now, a reason why a lot of people get disappointed about low views on TikTok or if they're not growing their account on TikTok is that they don't understand the TikTok algorithm and they're not doing these 3 TikTok algorithm hacks that I'm about to share with you in this video. And when you don't make these changes, it really means that the TikTok algorithm is working against you and it's near impossible to grow on TikTok and get followers on TikTok. Now, before I share these 3 TikTok algorithm hacks to help you grow on TikTok, I want to make sure that you understand the new TikTok algorithm update and also how the TikTok algorithm works. This is huge. TikTok and Google are going head to head in the battle of the user's search behavior. The TikTok algorithm is becoming a search engine. People are turning to TikTok now to search for different topics and find relevant information. Now, you might be wondering, well, why wouldn't you just use Google as your search platform? Well, let me paint you a picture. There's 2 really big factors which support why TikTok is becoming more of a search engine and why the TikTok algorithm is changing. Number 1, learning styles. We all have different learning styles. I know for me personally, I'm a very visual person. So a lot of people are now using TikTok as a search platform because they're visual learners. So they rather look at a video and learn than a piece of text. And number 2, a lot of people are unsatisfied with the Google search results. And a lot of the useful results are buried deep down in Google. Let me ask you this. Have you ever looked up a recipe on Google? And so you find the recipe that you want and you click the link, then you go to a blogger's website and you have to go through so much information until you actually get to the recipe. Has that happened to you? It happens to me a lot. Whereas if you look at TikTok, you get the information straight away, and that's going to save you so much time when you're searching. So the key takeaway is that the TikTok algorithm is becoming a search platform. TikTok wants to keep you on the platform, and to do this, it needs to ensure that it's serving up the right information. And this TikTok algorithm update means that TikTok needs to get even better with showing you the right information based on how you're searching on TikTok. Now, here are the 3 TikTok algorithm hacks to help you take advantage of this new TikTok algorithm update. I'm really excited to get into it. Number 1, 2, and 3 are super helpful with helping you grow on TikTok and getting more followers on TikTok. TikTok algorithm hack number 3, TikTok script. The TikTok algorithm is listening to everything that you say in your TikTok video. And the reason for this is that they want to make sure that your TikTok video aligns with their community guidelines, but they want to also understand what your TikTok video is about so that they can share your video with the most relevant people on TikTok. To make the TikTok algorithm work for you and to grow on TikTok, you need to be using keywords in your TikTok videos. So whether you actually write out a TikTok script or you have something in mind with what you want to share on TikTok, just be really conscious about including these keywords. And there's 2 really important reasons for this. Number 1, it means that you're being clear with the TikTok algorithm about what your content is about in your TikTok video. And number 2, and this is a really big one, because the TikTok algorithm is becoming more like a search engine, by using keywords in your TikTok video, it's going to help your video become more discoverable on TikTok, because if people are searching using these keywords and you have used these keywords in your TikTok video, then it's more likely that your video will be shown to these people on TikTok. And that is such a great way for you to grow your brand on TikTok and get followers on TikTok. Would it help if I give you an example? When I filmed this TikTok video, I was really conscious about using keywords in my TikTok video. So the keywords that I use are, when is the best time to post? So if someone is searching for those keywords on TikTok, then it's more likely that my video will be shown to these people, and this is a great way to get more followers on TikTok. I'm going to give you a pro tip. Start your videos with how. So an example could be how to do blank. And the reason why this is really powerful is not only does it spark interest in the viewer's mind on TikTok, but it's also how a lot of people are using TikTok to search. They're starting off their sentence with how. So the key takeaway here is use keywords in your TikTok videos, actually say the words, and that's going to help you be really clear with the TikTok algorithm. And it's a great way for you to grow your brand on TikTok. Hey there, I'm just going to interrupt my own video. If you are enjoying this video, can you please help me out with a like? That way I know that you like this type of content and I can create more content just like this for you. Back to the video. The next TikTok algorithm hack, number 2, TikTok caption. Not only do you need to be saying the keywords in your TikTok videos, but you need to be using these keywords in the captions on your TikTok video. This is a big TikTok algorithm hack. Just consider how someone might be searching on TikTok and you can use that search term as your TikTok caption. And the reason why this is really important is because not only are you being really clear to the TikTok algorithm what your TikTok video is about, right? So it can show your video to the most relevant people, but you're also making it really easy for people to discover your content on TikTok. I'm going to share another TikTok pro tip. What I actually do is type in the search term in Google, and there I can see how people are actually searching for this topic in Google. I can then take that and use that as my TikTok caption. So the key takeaway here is use the keywords in your TikTok caption, make it SEO friendly so that you're not only telling the TikTok algorithm what your TikTok video is about, but you're making your TikTok videos more discoverable on TikTok. TikTok algorithm hack number 1, TikTok bio. A big mistake that a lot of people make on TikTok is that they don't make their bio on TikTok SEO friendly. And there's 2 really important ways to use your TikTok bio. Number 1, you want to use your TikTok bio as an opportunity to share more about what your content is about so that when someone lands on your TikTok profile, they can get a sense of the content that you're sharing, and that's a great way to get followers on TikTok. And number 2, you want to use your TikTok bio to explain to the TikTok algorithm what your profile is all about and the type of content that you're going to be sharing on TikTok. So if we have a look at my TikTok profile, my content's all about helping brands and content creators grow on TikTok. So the key words that I've used are brands, content creators, and grow on TikTok. Because I've been clear in my TikTok profile, the TikTok algorithm knows that if someone is looking to grow on TikTok and they're interested in that type of content, then my profile or TikTok videos are more likely to be shown to these people. And this is a great way to get more followers on TikTok. So the key takeaway here is to include keywords in your TikTok bio so you're being really clear with the TikTok algorithm about what your profile is about. And if someone lands on your TikTok profile, they also understand the type of content that you're sharing on TikTok, and it's a great way to get followers on TikTok and grow your brand. Yay! You now know the 3 TikTok algorithm hacks to grow your brand on TikTok and get more followers. These are TikTok script, TikTok captions, TikTok bio. Thanks for sticking with me until the end, and I'll see you next time.